Imagine suddenly needing pizza while riding your scooter along the main street. The conundrum resides in you might not get home without running out of battery. Now come the MereDot Infinity Chargers. Your electric vehicle charges easily as you park it, thereby keeping you charged for your next trip. Materials handling carts, e-shopping carts, mobility scooters, and electric wheelchairs all fit this creative charger. Its amazing 200 watts per pad gives a boost equivalent to a wired connection. Moreover, real-time monitoring guarantees that your battery level is constantly known, so it is a necessary addition for your fleet. Meet the Asender, the revolutionary stair-climbing robot vacuum that takes cleaning to a whole new level. Unlike traditional vacuums, the Asender can detect and ascend stairs up to 8.7 inches, ensuring that no corner of your home goes untouched. But it doesn't just stop there. It's designed to navigate back down with ease, making it a joy to watch. With a powerful suction capability of 9,700 pascals, it tackles dirt on various surfaces, from hardwood floors to carpets. Its dual brush system, combining bristles and rubber rollers, ensures a thorough clean. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning stairs and hello to a smarter, more efficient way of keeping your home spotless. Handling difficult programs as a graphic or video editor can be taxing. Now enter the TourBox Lite, a revolutionary controller that simplifies editing. Supporting more than 100 operations, this little tool increases your efficiency by an amazing 50%. It's a must-have for artists since it works with well-known programs including Photoshop, Blender, and DaVinci Resolve. The TourBox Lite changes your working environment and guarantees you less time spent fumbling with tools and more time releasing your creativity. Does it trouble you to maintain your plants alive? Introducing your new green-thumbed friend, Marco, perfect for city people who want fresh herbs. Marco automates plant maintenance by supplying light and water. This clever technique lets you travel worry-free while your plants flourish by removing the guessing from gardening. The Internet of Things helps you to keep an eye on the development of your plants from anywhere in the globe. The customized LED lights change to fit the particular plant, so providing ideal growing circumstances free from the difficulties of conventional farming. With Marco, bid farewell to dead plants and welcome a rich, lively indoor garden. Elevate your soccer game with Voon Soccer, the smart rebounder that transforms training into an engaging experience. Whether you're practicing solo or with a partner, this weatherproof device tracks your timing and accuracy through a dedicated app. With numerous drills to choose from, improving your footwork has never been easier. Setting up takes less than 5 minutes, and the auditory cues keep you focused. The adjustable rebounding angles of 60 and 90 degrees allow for versatile training on various surfaces like grass and hard floors. Get ready to enhance your skills and enjoy every practice session with Voon Soccer. Say goodbye to printing hassles with Printesian, the revolutionary handheld printer that allows you to print on virtually any surface. Whether it's boxes, canvas, or walls, Printesian delivers effortless, high-quality results. This compact device, resembling a handheld scanner, features laser alignment for precise t-shirt prints. Print on edges with ease using the edge adapter or mount Printesian on a packaging line for automated labeling. With a 1280 by 720 touchscreen, it's click-free printing at its finest. Perfect for businesses looking to streamline their operations, Printesian redefines what printing can achieve. Presenting BMO, a novel home healthcare tool that lets you track your health without consulting a doctor. From the comfort of your house, this amazing device monitors your body temperature, respiratory system, and heart rate. Having 6 patents outstanding, it stands out in the business sector. To check your temperature, just place BMO near to your forehead. Else, listen to your lungs and heart using a digital stethoscope. The ECG function offers quick information on the condition of your heart. All data syncs to an app for simple sharing with your doctor. Personal health monitoring's future is BMO. Your best friend for vlogging and photography, The Viazon selfie stand can help you capture amazing material. Designed for artists who depend on their cell phones, this extended stand lets you mount from above and features a full selfie light for ideal lighting. Its 360-degree rotating neck makes adjusting angles for the optimum view simple. To fit any mood, the stand has 5 brightness levels and 3 LED color choices and folds for simple transportation. On one charge, enjoy up to 12 hours of running time from a strong 1,000 milliamp hour battery. Viazon will help you to elevate your content creation. With the Arc alarm clock, a minimalist masterpiece that blends design with utility, improve the look of your bedroom. Its understated display gracefully displays the time and creates the ideal ambiance for your area. The acoustic chime alarm provides a mild wake-up call that lets you start your day in good shape. Made from premium materials, hard mineral glass and cast zinc, this clock is meant to survive at least 10 years. Its classic style accentuates any decor, therefore enhancing your nightstand's look and functionality. Your mornings will be sophisticated with the Arc alarm clock. Using the Hollyland Lark M1 wireless microphone system will let you explore unmatched audio quality. Filtering background noise for perfect speech recordings, this little mic provides single-click activation of its Hear Clear smart noise canceling technology. Its modest weight makes simple attachment to your clothes possible, so it is ideal for travel. Record for up to 8 hours, and automatic changes in camera and cell phone volume levels. Content creators, reporters, and anybody else wanting portable premium audio will find the Hollyland Lark M1 ideal. With this creative microphone, experience professional-grade sound free from effort. The Insta Shower Go Pro will change your outdoor shower experience. This portable heater guarantees a warm wash every time with its amazing 22,000 BTUs in just 12 seconds. To fit your shower tastes, change the flow rate from a modest 1.8 liters per minute to a more solid 3 liters per minute. With a 5,000 milliamp hour battery that lasts up to 80 minutes on one charge, the Insta Shower Go Pro is just plug a low battery into a 12-volt DC adapter for continuous enjoyment. With the Insta Shower Go Pro, embrace comfort. Presenting the Whisper Ring, the creative smart ring that fits perfectly with ChatGPT and other devices. With a mere whisper, this unobtrusive gadget responds instantly and lets you run voice instructions without using wake words. Perfect for managing smart home appliances, it helps you to effortlessly maintain your surroundings. The Whisper Ring serves as your personal assistant, whether you are writing voice memos or booking meetings. Thanks for its built-in SOS mode, which links you to emergency contacts with just 5 button presses. Travel with assurance. With the Whisper Ring, your personal assistant right at your hands, experience wearable technology's future. Finish your electronic voyage with the Shark Geek 170 transparent Prism power bank, where utility meets design. Inspired by the legendary Dark Side of the Moon, this power bank is a statement piece rather than only a charging tool. Recharging from 0% to 50% in just 20 minutes, it can run from 0% to 170 watts depending on maximum input of 140 watts. Utilizing 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A port, charge up to 3 devices concurrently. The smart display guarantees you remain connected anywhere you go by offering real-time information regarding power status and performance. Use the Shark Geek 170 to improve your charging game. Presenting the Neo Ruler, a computerized measuring instrument meant to improve the working conditions for architects, engineers, and builders, perfect for every measuring job, from yards to kilometers. This creative tool recalls up to 93 distinct scales. Just measure as usual, then Bluetooth-based transfer of the results to your smartphone for simple sharing. It also lets you break sections into 12 or less, therefore simplifying your tasks. The 30-centimeter ruler has an LCD display. The Neo Ruler redefines accuracy measurement in small, lightweight, professional manner. Light up your creative projects with the Xuan 5 Ray M40 Light, a compact powerhouse that fits in the palm of your hand. Weighing just 320 grams, it delivers an impressive peak illumination of 14 lux, making it ideal for live broadcasts and portrait shooting. The adjustable color temperature ranges from 2,700 Kelvin to 6,200 Kelvin, allowing you to maintain a cool ambiance during extended shoots. Featuring a combination of heat sinks, FOC fans, and ESC algorithms, this light prevents overheating even during long sessions. With a runtime of up to 29 minutes on a full battery, the Xuan 5 Ray M40 is a must-have for any serious content creator. Revolutionize your workflow with Modu, the modular control station that adapts to your creative needs. Perfect for music production, film editing, or graphic design, this customizable hardware beast allows for unparalleled flexibility. With a dedicated module application, you can change configurations on the fly, ensuring you have the right tools at your fingertips. Effortlessly scroll through important information with a single touch and utilize the motorized potentiometer for quick adjustments. The RGB LEDs indicate various values, while macro capabilities enable fast shortcuts. Whatever your creative endeavor, Modu transforms your workspace into a dynamic environment, making productivity a breeze. Use the OH Hub Gym Chair to change your home workouts, a breakthrough answer for fitness excuses. Although it seems like any other chair, it has many qualities that redefine exercising. To access a flexible workout bench, rowing machine, and even a weights reformer, all in one compact design. Providing up to 100 pounds of resistance, you may develop your legs, biceps, chest, and shoulders really quickly. This versatile chair saves money and space, so you may design a home gym free of clutter. Which technology in this video do you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.